So remember when I was talking out in the last video I was going to build the bottom end? Well, that really didn't work out. I sent the short block to the machine shop and they said that the crank was bent with 12,000s, I think.
They said,
and it was irreparable.
They said that
boat
it
anchor.
looked like you threw it off the roof,
or it fell out of a trunk or something like that. They have never seen anything like it before from a naturally aspirated car. So that's my luck. That being as it may, the head was still good per se, but they said that the valve guides were bad on the exhaust side, so I got some DC valve guide. And these are manganese, I believe, and bronze.
Manganese?
No, manganese. Anyway, look in the comments for us for that correction. I'm sure Pat's gonna scoop something in over me to make me look ridiculous.
Okay.
So we got some valve guides. We have 8 exhaust valve guides. Then he said if I plan on boosting the car at some point in the future, which we do plan on boosting the car, I had to get heavier valve springs. The car's a 91, so it's super old, and it was never turbo before. So I got these double valve springs, retainer kit. Now what's in the box? We got some valve seats. We got some titanium retainers. They come in jewelry bags. Jewelry. They're for jewelry. And then we have these double valve springs.
Ooh.
Which I'm sure are too heavy. I don't know. He said I needed them, so we got them. Chris said I got a box outside. I don't know what it is, but it's out there. Oh, fragile.
Fragile.
Must be Italian.
Fragile. It's huge.
It's huge.
How's in this thing?
She never said that, so I'm not gonna go with that one. You know, big in Asia thing. It's the
Bro, this box is bigger than you, bro.
So, well, Pat, you have to put that camera down and help me carry it, you know?
You're probably right. All right. We'll be back in a second.
So, yeah, I'm not going to open it because it's huge. I'm sure it fits really good. It's extreme dimensions. And we'll open this in a little bit because we do have to.
Later.
Oh, let's carry it on our head.
Whoa! Where you going?
Watch the heater.
Go that way.
You go that way.
It's skinny over here.
Which way?
Go that way.
Which way are we going?
That way.
Which way are you going?
Stop.
I want to go this way.
Which way are you guys going?
This
Way
way.
go.
Are you just going around his car?
Kill you. I'm putting it down.
No, over there.
Why? Why am I opening?
We're gonna need some space.
You don't need any space.
Wait.
Karate chop it. I thought that's. You good?
No, don't. You're gonna crush my fiberglass Chinese shit.
Ooh. Too bad it's not white.
Why?
Because then you didn't even have to paint it.
Give it a little clear coat.
I got to start.
Grill. Hey.
Oh my god, what's in the box?
Ooh, look at that fish net.
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Sexy.
That's the rub bumper?
That's the rub bumper.
Rubber.
It's the rub bumper.
I fucked that up myself.
You fucked it up.
Rubber.
You don't know how to talk.
Look who's talking, Mr. Rubber.
Rub bumper.
Which way is the
You can't even get it.
Just bury me. I'm gonna just hide in this during the day.
Just pop out at random people. You gonna sleep in here?
Nice.
Turn off the lights.
Turn the lights on.
Yo, this should be interesting as hell. Be a good meme. Scare somebody in the morning. I should so do that. You smashed your who?
You smashed my door 10 times.
I didn't mean it.
Every time.
Because you had, it was in a fucked up spot.
You smashed the shit out of it.
No, don't wake me up.
So what kit is this? Tell the masses, bro.
This is the B Sport, not be confused with B and N Sport kit from Extreme Dimensions. It's Duraflex.
Extreme Dimensions.
It's Duraflex. It doesn't look like flexible. It cracked over here. Well, let's fix that. You know, it's got some gaps over here. I mean, this is, you know, it's that. But it's mine.
I like this kit though.
It looks like it'll go on, I guess.
It looks like it'll go on. Is this man still in here? Are you cereal?
I'm cereal, yeah.
Are you for real?
Pour some milk on me.
Oh, we have some leftover milk.
Dude, I'm comfortable AF. I'm just trying to take it.
You serious?
It's really comfortable.
Oh my god. You said it's the same shit, Colin?
Yeah, it's no different. It's just fiberglass.
It says Duraflex, but it's fiberglass.
It's just fiberglass.
Duraflex is what they call fiberglass on eBay.
Oh. Okay. So it's eBay flex. Gotcha.
There it is. Huzzah!
What are you doing in there? Oh!
Where's Colin's head at? Don't get stabbed with the scissors.
He just stabbed into the box. Just now.
It's like, well, it's like a cat.
It's so awkward. A grown human inside this box.
It's not often that you get on this box.
Whoa!
Car.
You're like 2 feet away. Oh! God. It almost made me fall. Like my phone? Yeah. I like the way this looks though. It looks nice.
Super.
Yeah, it already looks so much better.
So much better.
Yeah, but you gotta put the bumper beam back on.
I just took it off.
Happy.
No, it fits like shit. I hate it.
Easy on Colin.
I'm fighting for my life.
Who's who? Oh, he's subscribers.
Ah!
I didn't throw him in the acid.
One more time.
I should have.
Val.
It's been a long time since I sat in Blue Magic. Spirit of the drive. So nice.
Nice day.
Very.
We're going to the powder coater to pick up my 2 valve covers. I have 2 because one came with the car. One's for an S13K24 and one is for an S14K24. Both dual overhead cams. So the valve covers are a little bit different. So I got like a magenta, right? And like a purple one, but I don't know which one he did which. I was like surprised me. So we'll see which one fits the head. That's at the machine shop, but the one at the machine shop's not done yet, the head.
Really want to see like that deep, deep purple you said? Like deep magnetic blue?
I forget what it's called, but it's like, it's purple.
Dude, I can't wait to see that thing because
It's an eggplant.
it's gonna look mint. Your whole car scheme is like weird, but it works.
Yeah, you know.
I think it's all based off your shift knob. That's all I gotta say.
It's true.
Like you bought that shift knob, you're like, yep, this is the color palette. That's it.
Yeah.
That's where it's going.
I was thinking about doing the wheel faces of bright gold to contrast with Colin's car. So the outside would be like white gold with polished lip wheels.
No, I think it's gonna look sick.
And then like,
where's this lady going? Relax.
fucking kook. Fuck out of the road, crackhead.
Yeah.
And the inside's gonna be black, but like obviously it has like blue and purple tones.
I think it's gonna look sick. No parking. Select controls on. What does that mean? Select control. What's a select control?
I'm gonna go with, I don't know what that means.
Why are your doors the hardest things to close?
They never open that side.
Okay.
Pat got his hair done.
Well, you know, you gotta switch things up every season, you know what I mean?
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Woo!
Ooh, baby.
That's nice.
Ooh, baby. Oh, wow, that's really nice.
That's nice.
What's up, boys?
This is cool.
Not too bad, right?
I don't
Especially
know.
from what they wear.
I know, they were so bad.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you guys know what you're doing.
A little bit.
I would, you know,
Try.
this is crazy. They're both crazy. This is really purple. Yo, save these colors, 'cause I got other stuff that
That one in the sun is so much brighter.
This one?
Yeah.
Let's
If you take it outside,
Let's take it outside.
it changes colors.
Don't drop it.
Oh, ooh.
That is so
Wow.
good color.
That is so definitely your color. That was,
Woo!
I like that.
This came good.
For sure.
All right.
Yeah, just keep in mind with the baffles, if you want to pop them off, clean them out. It's always an issue, you know. Just in case anything got in there, it's better safe to be.
Yeah,
better safe than sorry.
So I got one of these with the engine I have,
Right.
and then the engine blew up. So
It's always fun.
that happened. Huge thanks to KK Coatings. What is it? KK Finishing? Prank call. Yeah, Chris and Casper, they always do a nice job. They do all my stuff. Brakes, intake manifold, valve covers, air oil separator, other
Anything that we want color on.
pretty much anything.
Yeah.
And everything on the STI we did, right?
Yeah.
All the green. So
green. I don't even remember what the green's called.
that was that had a silver base. I think it was something called like Dew Green or something like that.
I don't know.
It was almost 2 years ago now.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
held up pretty good. I can't complain.
It's trunk, back seat.
Backseat. I got no material in the trunk.
Oh, it's just bare.
Yeah, it's just metal.
Race car.
Race car.
Got it. Sir, after you. See you at the shop. That was so aggressive. That was so much more aggressive than I'm used to. Woo. Jeez.
That only had like 20 pounds.
Jeez, yeah. No, you were like 25.
Oh no, 27 and a half.
Oh, okay. 'Cause I looked here and then I couldn't look there because I had to look there.
I get no one.
Think what?
Good video. Is it on? We live? We live? Action? Action. So over the weekend, I got these sweet two-tone taillights, like Colin, but better because they're new. So Chris and I are gonna install them real quick. I bought these on eBay. They were $119, I think it was, and it comes with the center garnish. Unsheath the beast. So I think it should really improve the overall look. Granted, it doesn't have a bumper, so disregard that. Don't look at that. That's invisible. Or it's white. So we left the tombstone on because we're gonna use the. We don't have bad bumpers.
This is gonna be
So
nice.
now, quick packets of macros. A little jazzy. Can I use your gun? So there's 100,000 8mm nuts.
Oh, you unplugged this.
I didn't unplug shit.
Oh my god.
I told you I couldn't get it.
It's actually gonna look jamming, slamming.
I think it should look pretty good.
I think it
How did Chris get this out? Oh, no, I don't take this out. I just go like this. Huzzah! Old girls.
New girls.
Did you get that last screw on the side?
Yeah, all screws are out.
Gotta get the party lights, bro. As soon as you get the body kit on and you paint it, party lights all day. Don't say, Chris. No? Know what I'm saying?
I wasn't listening.
Oh, okay.
3, 2.
Oh, it's made tar on it.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's why those things never leak. Oh, don't get that on here. It's gonna be bad.
It's like putty.
It's like
It's like Laffy Taffy.
shake that
Like
laugh.
Girl, shake that
Black-
Laffy
Black-
Taffy.
Remember this song, Shake
That
That
Laffy
Laffy
Taffy?
Taffy?
I know that song.
Of course you do.
I should clean this.
What you trying to say, Chris? What are you trying to say?
I think we should clean the hole real quick.
Clean the
You,
hole?
you need help cleaning that hole?
I think he does need help cleaning
Well,
that.
I just want to, like, you know, it's. Look at it. Oh, did this garnish just break?
This quick video just turned into like an hour-long video.
Oh, look, this one's got some foam gasket on it.
Coming together. Let me get this couple of anything here.
Video.
Of course. It's either your rusty old car makes your headlights look super new, or your super new headlights, taillights, make your car look super fucked up. I guess it depends on your respect. That's all that matter. Nonetheless, I like them.
All right.
All right.
Sit.
Nicey nice.
Fits good in
240
Chinese.
taillights. So if it's good in Chinese,
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
I don't know.
what
I
that
don't.
means.
No, neither one of us knows what that means. We'll pick this back up after he puts in like the 10,000 8mm bolts that are left in these lines.
Wow.
All right, so the taillights are in person. I think it looks infinitely better. Looks just like Colin's car, but a different color. So let's close this and get a look at it. Closed. And there it is. As you can see, the tombstone, as I like to call it, is still burgundy. I know the car was white at some point in time. It appears it was perhaps rear-ended. This little sill was molded over here. And the Bondo cracked, which is bizarre, but it is what it is, because this side is not molded. Let's get some angles of that. Very nice. I give it I'll give it a 9 out of 10. The fitment's a little Chinese, if you will. See right there, it's kind of off-centered, you know? Off-centered. I don't believe that is my fault, but because Colin is currently experiencing similar defects. But overall, I think it brings the rear end up to at least, I'm gonna go with like a 21 footer. So this is about 21 feet. Looks great.
I didn't throw him in the acid.
One more time.
Should have.
One more time.